E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de GTA. Peço para que todos que estiverem comparecendo ao canal, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, compartilhem o vídeo, participem da comunidade do Discord e também quem quiser participem da comunidade do TikTok. Pois bem, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras aqui de GTA V. Justamente o último ponto de partida onde nós paramos. Onde nós paramos no último episódio. Esperar quando o jogo carrega aqui para trocar uma ideia com vocês. Não se esqueçam também o último recado de apoiarem o canal e também quem quiser fazer uma doação em Pix, todos são muito bem-vindos. E outra coisa, galera, eu peço também que se inscrevam no canal, não vai custar nada, compartilhem o vídeo. E o pessoal que estiver vendo a live ao vivo na Twitch, peço para que todos, quem estiver acompanhando pela Twitch, anotem o canal principal do YouTube, Ronaldo Carlos Trevisan Gameplay, beleza? Lembrou? Não se esqueça, Ronaldo Carlos Trevisan Gameplay. Então é isso aí, galera. Mas quando o jogo carrega, eu tô jogando direto no meu console Xbox One Slim. Hoje nós vai continuar o progresso do modo história de GTA V. Tem muitas missões aqui pra fazer com o Trevor. Eu vou fazer aquela uma das primeiras, deixa eu ver. Aqui nós tá em Shanty Shores. O Michael vai passar uma estadia aqui em Morando. O Michael ficou fora da família, agora não podemos nem pegar Los Santos. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui enquanto a gente conversa. É isso aí, Halloween, né? Mas... como o jogo é em HD, demora um tempo pra carregar, né? Pensando no Trevor Phillips. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Paramos na casa do Trevor. No último episódio, galera, quem lembra, nós capturamos o sequestro de uma patrulha chamada Passa. Olha ela aqui.
Put that away, silly.
Olha a patrulha chamada Passa aqui.
I gotta reload!
O Marco aqui, ó. O Marco tá beberrão, ó.
Hey, you know what? If you did something to this bottle, I just don't want to know about it.
Vamos matar o Michael. Vamos vender tudo aqui, as ações. Fazer essa missão aqui primeira, que eu for para trás. Eu tenho tanta coisa para fazer, deixa eu ver. Vamos com esse carro. Enquanto o Trevor vai dirigindo. Vamos ver se o Trevor vai.
Reloading! You! Again? I thought you were avoiding me for a living. Me and you got somewhere else to be, a doofus. Come on, meet me there.
Yeah, then see you later. I'm out!
Deixa o Trevor indo lá. Vamos ver essa missão aqui, quem que é?
Right where I want you.
Quem que é esse aqui?
Hey, bud. What you do?
Nothing.
Ei, mano.
What you up to, Cletus?
Hunting.
Cletus tirou o alvo.
What? Retirees?
Nah, just stuff. Windows, antennas, tires.
Ah, so that
Então
was
foi
you.
você.
Is the season for it?
I don't give a shit about no season.
Ah, good.
tô
I
curtindo
don't
pra
let the
temporada, que bom.
regulations get you down.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, you want to come hunting with me? Be real neighborly of you.
Hell, why not?
All right then.
Quer
Up
casar
here with
comigo? Opa.
I got just a thing. Let's raise some hell, neighbor.
Oh, I'm in.
Vamos ver a cara
I'll
do
introduce
Cletus.
you to one of my all-time favorite.
Tô atirando.
You're gonna love this. What? Why are you getting all ornery? Okay, you see them three big satellite dishes? A decent shot, and they'll go down easier than a whore's drawers.
You're a real pillar of the community.
Half the folks in this town would sell their own mother, and most of the other half are already dead. Screw them. I have 3 speeds: on, off, and don't push your luck. Give me strength. Don't get your panties in the wall now. Not that dish. That's my sister's place. Dumbass. Trevor, we was just getting to the good bit. Don't aim at something you ain't prepared to kill. The question ain't why, it's why the hell not. Hellfire!
É legal que fala isso. Great.
No more
Atirando em
reality
antenas
TV for you,
parabólicas.
Mrs. Gilbert. Okay, one more for the road. Yeah, that's it. Give him hell. Shoot another one. Makes you feel alive, don't it? Sticking it to the man.
Or sticking it to Bill Henderson on Island Avenue.
Shit for brains.
Keep us out of trouble, eh, Cletus?
A gun, a belly full of beer, and the world's your playground. My ma always said. What?
Onde que quer atirar, cara?
Now we're doing them a favor, freeing their minds. I ain't watched TV in 9 years.
Sound like Ron.
I was out here with you Ron the other week. I love that son of a bitch. Oof.
Nenhum bom. Ó, o Trevor, o caçador.
Didn't I tell you this would be more fun than a barrel full of pussy?
Ooh, you're a classy date, Cletus. No denying that.
Now drive us up to that abandoned motel. Even better idea. Jesus! Dumbass!
So, what now?
We're gonna try our luck on something less stationary.
Ooh, liberals?
Nothing as slippery as that. You'll see.
Vamos na minha caminhonete.
Well, we'll take your vehicle then.
You've got way too much time on your hands.
Nah, this is just a bit of foolery. I've been busier than hell with the real hunting. The money and wild organic meat these days, you wouldn't believe. Them hipsters will give you their parents' last dime for it. It's gotten so I can't even keep up with the demand no more. All this eat local, small batch, farm to table bullshit. You know, I could maybe use another pair of hands if I can get you up to snuff with that rifle.
You keep on criticizing my shooting, you'll be starring in a snuff with that rifle.
Here we are.
Ah, chegamos.
I bet you never shut out the tires on a car before?
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Well, let's see what you got then.
Ain't you gonna shoot anything, Cletus?
I do this all the time, and I want to see how you deal with a moving target. This is perfect right here. Pick a car and shoot a tire. Good plain old-fashioned fun. Fire!
Atira o rifle de novo.
Seen that before. Pop the tires is much more fun. When in doubt, take him out.
É tipo que passando com o carro, né?
Come on, gotta show them sometimes you ain't a slave in the system. Nice, go on, one more, just for the hell of it.
Oh, atirei nos pneus.
I never knew you were such an agitator, Cletus.
All these damn tourists coming out here to golf at rednecks. Give them what they want, I say. That's it, beauty. And again, Trevor. Only in sandy shores. Looks like maybe you could use some more practice. Right, let's change it up. Come on, follow me. Suck my peck. Jesus, he was right about you.
Matei
Just two
um.
fellers killing time in small town America. Don't get much better than this, does it?
The two most popular guys in town.
Am I glad I ran into you? Ain't nowhere near this fun being antisocial on your own.
Whatever cranks the tractor, I say. What's up next?
Olha lá,
on the
Cletus, cadê?
hillbilly
Vamos lá.
anarchist agenda?
Ever shot anything with a face? Actually, let me ask it again. Ever shot anything with a face on four legs?
Now, Cletus, it's important you realize I'm a man plagued by vicious rumor.
Fine. Let's head for the roof. I seen some coyotes hanging around down by the road. Reckon it would be real neighborly of us to get rid of a couple.
And we are nothing if not neighborly.
Don't aim at something you ain't prepared to kill. Hellfire! We'll get a better shot from up here.
Ele fala, ele fala.
That ain't right. I have 3 speeds. On, off, and don't push your... Hell no! All right, I see him. Looks like we got 2 packs of coyotes down there. Take a few of them out and
Legal,
the rest
essa dele.
scatter. You do a lot better with a sniper rifle. Don't get your panties in a wad now. Dumbass.
Que é pra matar aqui?
Sing to me now, song dog. And another. Dropped it like a bad habit. I think you got one more in you, Trevor. department's always getting at the trash and chicken. Worst thing about the Alamo Sea, coyotes.
I don't know. I can think of a couple more things.
Jesus! That should do it. Nicely done. I reckon you should tag along next time I go hunting out at Paleto Bay.
Great,
I'll show you how to bag of milk.
Why not?
All right, gotta go. I'll send you a text when I'm about.
Me manda manjar quando eu estiver na área.
I gotta reload! Reloading! Move!
Smelled you coming.
Oh, matei ele sem querer. Matei o Cletus, cara. Vamos dormir na casa do Michael. Na casa do Trevor, né? Que o Michael tá dormindo lá. Opa, o que tá acontecendo aqui?
What's going on there?
They're trying to kill me.
Squeal again and I'll blow your damn head off. Now I already asked you nicely. Where is the motherfucking money?
I told you. I ain't shifted it all. Oh yeah. Just give me a couple of guys. Man, am I glad you came along. Come on, let me sort you out. I gotta get my karma back on track. Over here, I got some paper stashed in my car.
And at no point did you
Oh,
think
my
about
goodness.
giving that to the guys about to kill you.
Them bikers ain't right in the head. Who blasts a fool over a half a key?
Os
Drug
motoqueiros
dealers don't
MC
get
Lost.
paid, that's who.
Shit, get out! There's more! Do you think they saw us? Yeah, they saw us. We... Now, quick! Get over here before any more of them fools show up.
Vai, dá a grana aí, meu filho.
You're no joke, dog. I prayed for a crazy motherfucker, and the big man came through. This is for you. You earned it.
Ô, valeu, cara.
We should
Um
battle.
dos eventos aleatórios, $1000. Que da hora, cara. Daqueles eventos aleatórios. O Michael tá se acomodando no novo lar, né, Michael?
Hi.
E é jovem, senhora, Patrícia Matrasso. Uhum. Onde que o Trevor tá?
It's in my scene anyway, huh?
Quem que é essa missão aqui também? Ah, tem que procurar aquele senhor lá. Ele dá uma missão na Malde. De Nápoles. De Nápoles morreu já, né? Foi o Trevor que matou de Nápoles. Só essas missões secundárias.
Fly, piece of shit!
Onde que tá esse procurar na Malde? Eu sei que ele tá por aqui na cabeceira, cara. Por dessas missões de fazer. Olha lá. Vamos procurar ele aqui no centro. Porque tá por aqui. Não.
on your head, and it's mine!
No, stay away from me.
Tá escapando, né? Ô, esse filho da puta!
Okay, god damn it, I give up.
Sit your ass down in here!
Are those guys after you or me?
Vou te matar se você. Seu safado. Opa!
Get out!
Look, I'm coming with you, okay?
Vou ia matar você.
Don't do that, I won't run again, I promise.
In now!
Come on, pal, don't do this. Just let me turn myself in, please.
No can do. I'm a dedicated servant of justice, my friend. Count yourself lucky I haven't trussed you in duct tape and thrown you in the trunk. Although now I've said it out loud, I kind of like the idea.
Please, they're saying I can get 5 years. 5 years!
Whoa, hang on, remind me. What did you do again? You're giving off a sex criminal vibe.
What? No! They're just trying to charge me with check fraud, money laundering, workers' compensation. It's crazy. It was just a few payroll taxes, for Christ's sake.
Okay, I'm listening now. You had me at money laundering. What's your play?
It isn't really a play. You create a shell company, take out a minimal workers' comp insurance policy, then charge subcontractors a fee to use that company as a dummy paper trail for the undocumented workers. I'm just the middleman, really.
Whoa, I take it all back. You are officially the most boring criminal alive. Nah, jail's the place for you for sure. For the learning experience alone. What were you doing skulking around that quarry like a common toad anyway?
You actually wouldn't find a toad in the quarry. It's too dry.
Whoa! Are you getting smart with me, admin criminal?
No, I'm sorry. I'm just really nervous.
Question my questions again. I'll slit your throat and let you gurgle the answer. Am I making myself clear?
One of the mining contractors I worked with said I could lie low there, okay? I've been sleeping in a bulldozer. You know, you're really not what I pictured. I've seen those bounty hunter shows on TV. I was expecting some washed-up 80s pro wrestler type, but you're much, much scarier.
Well, I was expecting someone much less of a pussy. I have to say, for my first bail jump, you're a bit of a disappointment. I was hoping serial killer, maybe international drug czar. I get the payroll bandit. Pathetic.
I don't fight.
Oh,
How you been, Trevor?
yeah.
Well,
Oh,
am I
shit.
glad to see you. Look what you brought me.
Your relentless sunny disposition, it always puts a pep in my step.
I aim to please. Well, witty banter completed, I'll give you my thanks. And I'll send you
Yeah,
another
no.
file for your inspection.
Vamos lá.
Oh, my Lord!
Ai. Fazer aquelas missões de Trevor Felix. Porque a negociação ficou muito tempo parada. Ou não vai pegar o pacote marcou.
Do you just sit on that radio all day?
Oscar.
Got a tip-off. The Salvadorians found out about a drop we're getting near the docks. Gotta get there. Quick, T. We're gonna lose the package.
Oh, when are these clowns gonna get the message? I see our friends, Oscar.
Oh, desgraçados! Ah, não, vou usar o colete.
Trevor! T! Hey, T! You there?
Do you just sit on that radio all day?
I just got a tip-off. The Salvadorians found out about a drop we're getting near the docks. Gotta get there. Quick, T. We're gonna lose the package.
Oh, when are these clowns gonna get the message? I got the competition in my sights. Delivery picked up.
Aí, desgraçado. Seus merdinha.
Watch your back there, Trevor. Other vehicles coming in.
Vou ter que acabar com a pessoa. Desgraçado.
I got rid of those bastards.
Nicely done.
You were right about those cops.
Vai tomar no cu, rapaz. De novo, por isso. Aqui tem vários valendo de volta. Legal, já passou? Saco? Nossa, cara, saco.
You okay, man? I thought you'd be back by now.
Isso aí, pacote entregue. Vou fazer a entrega. Olá, bonitão.
Look who it
Minha
is. Larry.
Larry Tupper. Larry Tupper. Segundo colégio de mal.
Trevor Phillips reporting for duty.
Good. Listen, man, we got some heat. Cops, feds, I ain't sure, but they got radar set up. Scanners. They know there's an operation going down here.
So you're saying we lie low for a while?
No, just lie low. Business don't stop. Buyers are waiting. If you stay close to the ground, you won't pop up on their radar. Drop it down, man. You're too high.
De novo essas missões vai pegar o escudo. Vai pegar uns pacotes de esse avião, galera.
Package delivered.
Excellent. Stay up that high, you're gonna come up on radar.
Já tem Oscar.
Package delivered.
Será que vai ter administração de propriedade no futuro de GTA 6? Até a atual data também, se estiver vendo no futuro esse vídeo, galera. Quando se já lançou, não sei. A gente só vai continuar quando eu jogar o jogo que eu gosto, que eu pretendo dar aqui. E outra coisa, galera, esqueci de falar. Quem estiver vendo no futuro esse vídeo, ou já estiver vendo, já tem a playlist do canal do GTA 4 aí. Tá bom, faz refusão, cara.
Another package received.
Muy bien. That's all the drops done. Come on home now.
Vai trocar o rádio, perde uma arma.
So let's get this straight. I bought the hangar. I fly the plane.
What you bought was a share of the business. A business that has taken a long time to set up. I handle the contracts, the logistics, the communications, the authorities, competition. So, yeah, you fly the plane.
And you track my every move. It's a perfect storm of paranoia and recklessness. How can we go wrong? And about this competition. Who the fuck are they?
Who aren't they?
Atual concorrente, quem são,
They're
Oscar?
runners everywhere.
Tem concorrente
Some
por toda parte,
local,
uns aqui locais.
The Mexicans, of course, mainly the Aztecas right now. And the Salvadorian gang, the Marabunta Grande, they are real dangerous the past 6 months. There used to be enough to fight to go around. Now everyone wants the same piece.
And who are you with? Just so I know who I'm pissing off.
I'm independent. I work with local buyers up here, the cartels down there. I mean, I'm not stupid. I look after the vagos that pay dues to madrazo, but I'm freelance, man.
Vamos voltar pra casa pra ver como tá lá. Vamos ver como tá as coisas em Los Santos. Opa, alô. Ah, tem um pacote de drogas aqui, ó.
Don't be calling on murder case now, nigga.
I'll slit your fucking throat, man.
Sai da frente. Quem tá sendo procurado aqui nesse momento, nessa parte do jogo, galera, É o Michael e o Trevor que está cancelado ao fato de chamar atraso. O Frank quase não tem nada a ver com isso. Entre no carro com a carga.
Fuck you, stoner.
Maconha pau no cu lá. Não tá funcionando lá.
Whoa, who changed my ringtone?
Hey, look, man, that car in La Puerta is a fucking hoopty.
Yeah,
The engine's
La
fucking
Puerta,
shot,
man.
man. I'm gonna grab his ass and get the fuck out of here.
No, it could be a trap, and I need that car. The movement depends on it. You'll have to push it or something.
Are you out of your damn mind?
Hey, do it for your state. Do it for freedom. Do it for nature. Ignite the fight.
You've been igniting the fight too motherfucking much, dawg. Man, I ain't pushing shit. Man, that high-ass motherfucker.
Tem o que aqui? Um guincho? Tem. Já trabalhei de guincho mesmo lá, não. Oh man. Vocês vão me atrapalhar?
Mom, I said all there is to say.
What?
Man, get your ass down here. I'm outside with this junker you made me drag across town.
Look, just leave it there.
Very.
I can't come out now. The satellites!
Isso da maconha.
They're scanning our brains and tracking our heartbeats to the internet. Go now while you still can.
Man, I'm wasting my fucking time.
No, you're a hero, a green warrior. We're changing lives.
Sai da área, beleza. Puta que pariu. Puta merda. O recado foi. Ixi.
Hey, officer, give it up! This is getting way out of hand!
Meu oficial.
At the end of the day, it's just a public decency thing. You want to put all these resources on a dude playing show and tell?
Ele vai pro meu encontro lá, acabando pra gente passar um bicho pra valer. Opa, tem um casal aqui.
Baby, I am so messed up.
Ooh, you look so effing hot. I wanna hump you right now.
We're never gonna find a cab out here. Are you okay to drive?
Hey you! Buddy! Can you do us a massive favor? It's the little lady's birthday and we are really fucked up. Can you drive us back to our motel? Our car's right there. Just give us a ride, man.
But of course, you two are a hot mess. I love it.
You're a legend, bro. We'll get in the back, out of your way. Baby, don't breathe whiskey on a nice man.
So where can I take you to, Black Dog, you lovelies?
Às vezes você pode ficar passando de elementos aleatórios já oculto outro visto. Localizado, não. Vamos aqui.
West from here. Thank you so much.
You have like the best tits in the whole world. If I didn't have to work for a living, I would just play with them all day.
Oh, you so bad. Oh, that tickles.
Ih, olha lá, tô podendo pegar.
Hey, you like that? Just wait till we get back to the motel. I'm gonna get medieval on those puppies.
Oh, God, you know what that does to me?
Shift that sweet little ass over here. Let the wolf see the rabbit.
You smell like cigarette and buffalo wings. It's making me so horny.
Vamos ver,
Come on, give me a slice of that giblet pie.
O que eles estão fazendo, ó. Ih, rapaz.
Hey, what are you crazy kids doing back there? I tell you what, while you're sweeping the front porch, why don't I work on her back plumbing?
Huh? What did you say?
How about I suck those kidney stones right out of your balls, big guy? Get this party really started.
Wow, okay, man. Cool.
Ah, essa festa.
I don't remember it being this far away.
I know, I don't recognize anything. We never made it back without this guy. Didn't I tell you this would be the best birthday ever?
I'm so sleepy.
Yeah, you save your energy for the motel room. $40 a night, we're gonna get our money's worth.
Esse caminho, primeiro vez nós tá vindo aqui, né, cara? Esse vai lá no com isso. Olha uma alamo aqui em volta.
Dear!
Oh, bro!
Dear!
Destruir mais que você.
They're just wasted as we are! Go easy on the paint job, man! Hey, take it easy, will you?
Shit!
What the fuck are you doing in my car? Hey, I think you're taking us too far, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure our hotel wasn't up a mountain.
Don't worry.
You're wrecking our car, bro!
Don't worry. Just wanted to show you Lovebird's the most romantic little spot in the whole county.
Now you're talking. What do you say, babe? Start on a little nature documentary out here?
I don't know. I just want to go home now.
Oh, you'll love this place. We'll really bring you close together.
Não vai aproximar bem vocês, bombinha. Segunda passageira de pessoas que eu levo.
I come bearing gifts once more. This time, 2 gifts. You're too good to us. Yeah, so you keep saying.
Someone has been brought. It is a sign.
Move back.
Oh, Michael. Vou fazer umas missões com o Frank aqui. Fazer a missão com o TV Oeste.
Man, that's dumb luck right there.
Vou pegar aqui, galera. Fazer essa missão Depois Oeste. Ah, mole. assistente secretário do Dave.
Hey, Molly. I'm outside the studio.
All right. Go over the wall and find the car on the lot.
And then what?
Only the principal actors and stunt people are authorized to go near it. So, you could get in wardrobe and play the part, or try something else.
All right.
When you're out of there and clear of studio security, call me.
Eu acho que é o terceiro veículo que nós vai roubar, né?
Fruit salad has pineapple in it. I don't know how many times I have to tell you I'm allergic. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now listen to me. Just get the fuck out of here. I'm sick of looking at your face, Tina.
O ator. Aqui é o mesmo estúdio que o Michael trabalha. Vamos, rapaz, durma, durma. Infiltrado. Oh, o Frank tá como 007, James Bond.
They need you on set.
Where the hell is Brandon? Jesus, are you gonna find him? Someone's gonna find him. Where is my movie star? Where is my movie star? I thought I had final approval on all stunt performers. At least get him a mask, or makeup, or something.
Opa!
Studio security are shut. Get your ass down, wacko!
They ain't gonna be on us for long.
Puta caramba.
Is this an abduction?
Nah, you cool?
No, I'm not cool. Not at all.
I mean, chill out. I'm just interested in the whip. This button says spiked.
What do you mean, the whip? I could buy this car with what I make in a morning.
Oh, see you later.
I could buy this car with what I make in a morning.
I think you underestimating the value of this automobile. Oh, that's what's up. Are overestimating your own talent.
I think you're underestimating what I get paid.
You get paid a couple of million for a morning's work?
Shit, you should sack my agent.
Yeah, shit. What happened when I pressed this?
Pô, ela saltou, hein?
If you have the car, bring it to Hayes Auto in South LS. Mr. Weston is marathon training, but he can reconfigure his route to meet you there.
All right, cool. I got the car. No drama.
That's good. The studio is enough of a money sink without the costs that drama can bring. What kind of shape is the car in? We plan on refitting the guns to take live ammunition. Do the traffic spikes and ejector seat need replacing too?
Both of those is going to need replacing, all right?
Good. One more thing. Mr. Weston's security detail are concerned about a suspicious figure near the garage. Let us know if you see something.
2 carros, cara. Nossa. Legal, legal.
You're developing quite the rep there, Slick. Insurance companies hate these kinds of claims. They don't like cats with the inside edge, shorten them either. So how'd it go?
Smooth enough, you know. Movie people.
You know what the irony is? I'm a major shareholder in that same studio, so we just did it practically legal. Ha! Practically.
Oh, shit! Look at this motherfucker. You doing it big, my nigga, on the set.
Lamar, what the fuck are you doing here?
Ô, Lamar, aí,
Your
velho.
boy Trevor. It's fucked up when you gotta get your GPS location on your homeboys through a motherfucking speed freak.
Oh.
True that. Devin Weston, master of the 2-hour female orgasm. What it is, Holmes?
Lamar Davies. He was just leaving.
Hey, not on my account. You're looking
Oh,
for
vai
gainful
incluir o Lamar na
employment,
compilação também.
Hell yeah, I'm always trying to get some motherfucking paper.
Just the type of guy I like to work with. Predictable. Hey, we could bring your boy here in on the last part of the shipment.
Oh, yeah, nigga, that's exactly what you could do. That's exactly
Hell
what you
yeah.
do right
Man,
there,
look,
Exactly.
If you want him in, then you get him to boost the rest of the shit you got. Give me my money and I can go on my motherfucking life.
Oh, no, am I sensing tension here, Slick? He's the spirit, but you're the brains. Am I wrong? I can see it. Look, I need you on point to move this stuff out of town.
Yeah, whatever, man. Call me when it's done. And after this, make sure we got our motherfucking check, all right?
Ciao, baby.
That's what it is.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, come here. I'm gonna put you in touch with my legal counsel.
Hey, don't touch me, homie. I don't get down like that.
Yeah, let me tell you how the world works, Slim.
Cabelo dessa mulher.
Why you ain't pick up when I called you earlier? You didn't get my text? You tried to steal my phone.
Look the fuck out.
Oh, hell no!
The fuck is that? Man, fuck this shit, man.
Holy shit!
É isso aí. Vamos ver a casa do bairro no frente.
Hey, girl. I'm still waiting to hear back from Burger Shop. I ain't hear a word you said. I'm speechless.
Será que dá pra voltar no antiga casa aqui, né?
around here.
But it's half my house.
Lots of game for a kick.
Voz fechadora.
Reloading.
Vamos ver aqui. Opa!
Hey, you just turned this into a bucket. Man, you got off lucky, homie.
Finally, what it takes to get you on the line.
Look who it is.
It doesn't matter what the clothing looks.
There you go.
Pô, tá pra comprar várias coisas aqui agora, hein?
If the cops come asking, my lips are sealed, I promise. That'll really get your point across. I've read a lot of books on gangs, you know. Read it.
Vai comprar uma bazuca já?
Very wise choice.
Damn, that was all right.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require?
Vou chamar a polícia aqui, galera.
Police officers are en route to your current location.
You open your damn eyes.
LSPD! Weapon! Grab some cover! You peasant!
Olha lá, que legal. Que da hora. instalador na loja também. Nossa.
Come on, dang!
Vamos dar um prosseguimento daquela missão, peraí.
Somebody's got that guy! Shit, man! You gotta help me, bro. He's got my wallet!
Agora esse jeito hoje que tá sendo.
Man, get the fuck away from me.
I'm done telling fools twice.
Vamos voltar ao Michael. Ai ai. Voltar o Trevor. Ué, o que aconteceu aqui? O que aconteceu aqui? O jogo crashou. Sorte que tem o salvamento automático. Sei lá o que aconteceu, o jogo crashou aqui, galera, vocês viram? esperar agora carregar a tela de load. Puta que pariu.
All that shit? Chop, what you been eating? I gotta get a regimen for your ass. Hey, Molly. I'm outside the studio.
All right. Go over the wall and find the car on the lot.
And then what?
Only the principal actors and stunt people are authorized to go near it. So, you could get in wardrobe and play the part, or try something else.
All right.
When you're out of there and clear of studio security, call me.
Fruit salad has pineapple in it. I don't know how many times I have to tell you I'm allergic. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now listen to me. Just get the fuck out of here. I'm sick of looking at your face, Tina.
They need you on set.
Where the hell is Brandon? Jesus! Are you gonna find him? Someone's gonna find him! I thought I had final approval on all stunt performers. Anyone know who this guy is? What the hell are you doing, guys? You haven't approved this guy.
Brandon? Shit! We're so not insured for this! What is going on? What are you doing? Is this a kidnapping? Pull over, Creepo!
Get off the wheel! I need to get the fuck out of here!
Studio security are shutting your ass down, Blacko! Oh. Is this an abduction?
Nah, you cool? You cool? What's this? Brakes?
No, I'm not cool. Not at all.
I mean, chill out. I'm just interested in the whip.
What do you mean, a whip? I would buy this car with what I make in a morning.
I think you underestimate. Yeah, fools! I think you underestimating the value of this automobile. Or overestimating your own talent. Damn, what's this button do?
If you have the car, bring it to Hayes Auto in South LS. Mr. Weston is marathon training, but he can reconfigure his route to meet you there.
Alright, cool. I got the car. No drama.
That's good. The studio is enough of a money sink without the costs that drama can bring. What kind of shape is the car in? We plan on refitting the guns to take live ammunition. Do the traffic spikes and ejector seat need replacing too?
Both of those are going to need replacing, alright?
Good. One more thing. Mr. Weston's security detail are concerned about a suspicious figure near the garage. Let us know if you see something.
You're developing quite the rep there, Slick. Insurance companies hate these kinds of claims. They don't like cats with the inside edge short.
Hey, poodle!
This ain't my scene anyway, huh?
Fuck me!
Baby, I am so messed up.
You look so effing hot. I wanna hump you right now.
We're never gonna find a cab out here. Are you okay to drive?
Drive? I can't even see. I feel like I need to lie down and like hold the floor. Hey you! Buddy! Can you do us a massive favor? It's the little lady's birthday and we are really fucked up. Can you drive us back to our motel? Our car's right there.
But of course. You two are a hot mess. I love it.
You're a legend, bro. We'll get in the back, out of your way. Baby, don't breathe whiskey on the nice man.
So where can I take you two blacked out young lovelies?
We're staying at the Hotel Southwest from here. Thank you so much.
You have, like, the best tits in the whole world. If I didn't have to work for a living, I would just play with them all day.
Oh, you so bad. Oh, that tickles, Poppy.
Yeah, you like that? Just wait till we get back to the motel. I'm gonna get medieval on those puppies.
Oh, God, do you know what that does to me?
Shift that sweet little ass over here. Let the wolf see the rabbit.
You smell like cigarette and buffalo wings. It's making me so horny.
Come on, give me a slice of that giblet pie.
Hey, what are you crazy kids doing back there? I tell you what, while you're sweeping the front porch, why don't I work on her back plumbing?
Huh? What did you say?
How about I suck those kidney stones right out of your balls, big guy? Get this party really started.
Wow, okay.
I don't remember it being this far away.
I know, I don't recognize anything. We've never made it back without this guy. Wow, okay, man. It's cool. Stop. dudes as wasted as we are. Hey, take it easy, will you? Go easy on the paint job, man. Hey, I think you're taking us too far, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure our hotel wasn't up a mountain.
Ah, don't worry. Just wanted to show you Lovebirds, the most romantic little spot in the whole county.
Now you're talking. What you say, babe? Start on a little nature documentary out here?
I don't know. I just want to go home now.
Oh, you'll love this place. We'll really bring you close together. I come bearing gifts once more! This time, 2 gifts!
You're too good to us.
Yeah, so you keep saying.
Someone has been brought. It is a sign.
Come on, move. Move back.
Oh, sorry about that.
You boys are so messy.
Your mothers were too easy on you.
T, it's me. Hey, listen, you want to do something? Hang out?
Genius. Haven't we got work to deal with?
Sorry, man. I had some time. I wanted to see you. Ah, you're Trevor's creepy friend. Oh, it's Trevor's even weirder friend. Hey, Trevor's weird friend. You're pretty creepy.
Oh, shit!
We're flying over now! I need a location. Nothing up here.
Turtles.
What brings a city slicker like you down this way? Part of me wishes I was wearing one right now. Have fun.
Yeah, you sure do talk some shit. Oh my God!
God damn you.
Hey,
Give it up! This is getting way out of hand!
Officers report 505 west of Road Penitentiary.
We're in pursuit.
Hi. Oh, nice place you got here.
Oh, yeah, it's easy to mock, isn't it, huh? Cheap and fucking easy. But, this here is my place. And my work paid for my place.
All right, relax. I was just being sarcastic.
Yeah, well, don't be, all right? Because the world doesn't need any more sarcasm. It's the blight of the age.
Yeah, I get the point.
You don't get the point. You're like every other asshole. You made a bit of money, and you became a turd.
Got news for you. I was always a turd.
No! You weren't, man. You were something. But now, man, you're like this place. You're a shell.
Go fuck yourself. Are you some kind of pure morally justifiable asshole? What, because you're totally psychotic, somehow it's okay?
I'm honest, all right? You're the hypocrite.
Oh yeah, you're a fucking hero, so far above it all.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm not above ripping open your fucking chest to see what's replaced your heart.
Rip it open! See what's there, baby, because I'm ready.
Hello? Oh, ladies, what's up?
Fuck off!
Listen. I'm sorry, but we've got a problem. Government funding thing. We need you to, investigate a research lab upstate.
It's about terrorism, the big one, nerve gas, biological terror.
Thank God I don't pay tax.
Listen, you'll need some fairly standard gear. Boat, tandem rotor heavy lift helicopter, truck, weapons. You'll have to source all of that. Chopper alone will set you back a couple of mil.
Oh, no worries there. Trevor here, he just came into a lot of money.
Is that sarcasm?
Oh, you're fucking right at sarcasm. You fuck. A few weeks ago, I was happily retired, sulking by my swimming pool. My psychotic best friend shows up out of nowhere to torture me over mistakes I made, honest mistakes I made over a decade ago. We, our little posse, are flat fucking broke. But hey, let's go out and spend $2 million on a tandem rotor fucking chopper so I can go steal nerve gas from fucking terrorists. Forgive me, you ignorant fuck. But sarcasm is all I fucking got. Sarcasm! And a room full of you cunts!
Yes! Woo! Welcome back, man. It is the old you.
Yeah. Well, we gotta go. It's been great, but Dave here's got a Pilates class. Now remember, ladies, you keep us way out of this thing. Bye-bye.
Ah, Jesus fucking Christ. All right, I'll give Lester a fucking call. He said he knew about something.
Now you tell him that we're driving towards Paleto Bay. Get in the car.
I'm calling Lester.
What now?
We got a funding problem, so we need a job. Before the jewel store, you talked about a score, a bank in the sticks. I need you to meet us there. Paleto Bay, right?
That's the one. I'll get on a bus.
All right, Lester's meeting us there. Don't start.
I won't. No way. Good call. If you're taking down a bank for a few million, first thing you do is call the hospital, tell them to get you a guy in a wheelchair.
Oh, this hayseed bank, you gonna be carrying that kind of change?
Local law enforcement extort money from all the weed farms, whorehouses, meth kitchens in the area. They keep their cash in safe deposit boxes. Then there's all the normal small-town payroll stuff.
We should do well. You know, I've been thinking about you, Trevor. Your lifestyle.
Oh, have you? Really?
Yes, I have. People always try to label you. You know? Maniac, psycho,
friend, industry leader.
In some ways you defy categorization. But then...
What?
Think about it. Where you live.
Sandy Shores, you precious ass. I'm sorry there ain't a place nearby for you to get your colonics.
Right, but why are you out here?
It's off the grid. We're away from it all. It's somewhere real and authentic. This is America! And real people ain't been priced out yet.
Yeah, well, what if it gets gentrified?
Then I'll fucking move.
Okay. What about the way you dress?
What about it? I don't give a shit what I wear.
No. If you don't give a shit, you wear clean clothes that fit. So yours are all a little out there, a little wacky.
Whatever's in the shop is what I get. Jesus, what is this?
It's not an absence of taste, T. It's the opposite of taste.
You should be a stylist.
And then there's the tattoos, the hair, the weird music, the funny toys, the niche drugs, the everything.
What the fuck are we talking about?
You are a hipster.
What?
You're a hipster.
I hate hipsters.
Classic hipster denial.
I abhor hipsters. I eat them for fun.
Hipsters love saying they hate hipsters.
Well, I really fucking do.
Self-hatred. Common hipster affliction.
Well, it'll be because I'm living out here away from the bean machines and the bankers.
You're gentrifying. Soon, the skinny jeans will show up, then the skinny lattes, and then the bankers. And you'll be somewhere else, starting the cycle all over again. Maybe you're not a classic garden variety hipster, but you're what the hipsters aspire to be. You, Trevor, are the proto-hipster.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't agree with what you're saying. You're talking bullshit. You're trying to wind me up. But I'm very angry. And I want this conversation to stop right away.
Hipster.
Fuck you! Fuck you, Michael! Say it again.
I've made my point. I'm not a sadist.
The bus stops up here.
All right. How long does it take us to get out here from LS? Come on, man, knock it off.
What?
I'm gonna break your fucking fingers. You don't knock that shit off.
Well, please, all right? You'd alleviate the boredom.
Ah, finally. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Welcome to paradise. Come on, car's this way.
Dry out here.
Don't worry, brother. Mark will take care of all your moisturizing needs. Oh. Shall we?
Might as well get started.
Drive us to the bank. I will go to the front of the bank, clock the entrance. If the paperwork's correct, the alarm will be a relic. We should be in and out before the local PD knows what's happening. That's the entrance to the bank. Nothing special. Take us around back.
Okay.
There's an empty lot behind, and no one should pay attention to us back there.
I like it. Yeah, the place is remote. It's got the right amount of foot traffic. This'll do.
Let's check out the alarm to be sure. It's not ideal. It's gonna cost more to break that system than the score's gonna pay.
Well, we're gonna have to find a new score.
No. This is the score. What are our options?
It's a dumb idea, but we could trigger the alarm. See what kind of response they throw out.
That is a dumb idea.
Hey, you heard the man, all right? Shoot the sucker.
Just hit the alarm box already. Okay, I brought my police scanner. Now drive over to the gas station opposite the bank, and we'll monitor chatter.
All right.
This is Toledo-based security services frequency. We have a code 30 Adam. Alarm going off at Blaine County Savings Bank. All cars in the area, please respond.
Toledo cars 3, 6, 9, and 1 will be there in 50 seconds.
Roger that. 4 units. Backup team at station is available.
They've dispatched 4 cars in 60 seconds and more on standby. And it isn't even 30 vigorous shots fired. Oh, this is a real headache.
What do you got on the clock?
40 seconds.
This is Toledo Security. Any updates on the code 30 Adam? Backup ready to mobilize.
This is not normal. The response is out of proportion.
Cops in this county are dirty. The alarm just went off on their piggy bank.
This is them. What is that, a 67-second response time?
Yeah, 4 cars. More in the wings.
Bad cops, guarding dirty money. Fuck how many? We can take this.
Wait right here. We'll see if anything about their routine suggests a weakness.
Toledo Radio, this is Toledo car 3. We have a code 12, false alarm, possibly triggered intentionally.
Roger that. We're gonna set up checkpoints on the Great Ocean Highway and the Sonora Freeway. Car-to-car searches and record checks.
Checkpoints? Searches? Fuck this! I ain't getting caught because Lester needs a wheelchair.
Hey! Wheelchair or not, we're still faster than your ass!
I'm not gonna outrun a cop. We've gotta go.
We're going. And if we're in front of Trevor, he'll be the one running from the cops.
I shouldn't have come. I should have known.
We're fine. We're gonna get out of here.
Trevor Phillips, of course this would turn into a car chase.
We're not being chased.
Not yet.
Not at all. Look, take a deep breath. We're gonna be fine. We just gotta get back to
Trevor's office.
When Trevor says office, he really means
a burnout gas station by the Alamo Sea? I've seen the title of ownership. Get off the road up here. This must be Trevor's route through the mountains.
Dirt track. Might get bumpy.
And judging by the glassware he ordered a year ago, I'm guessing it's a meth lab. A meth lab. Just perfect!
Laboratory don't do it justice. It's more of a shithole where meth is made.
Great! Nothing like a pharmaceutical bakery to prep the perfect stick-up job.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. Look, you had any ideas about the bank? Are you sure we can't disable the alarm?
The alarm is a UXVF 111 classification, minute-long relay interval, third-party verification, multiple monitoring centers. Sure, I can disable it.
But
it'll cost more than the job is worth.
Of course it will. So, what do?
We walk away. It's not like we need the money.
About that.
You been day trading?
No, God no. I mean, yeah.
Looks like the road takes a dip and a turn after that bridge. Slow down.
Yeah, I've been trading, but no, that's not why we need the money.
Then why do you need the money?
All right, so there's this research laboratory on the coast. The IAA shit are using it to manufacture a poison gas that they're going to release on U.S. soil in order to hope that the government increases their funding. Hey! Wheelchair or not, we're still faster than your ass!
Well, I'm not gonna outrun a cop. We've gotta go.
We're going. And if we're in front of Trevor, he'll be the one running from the cops.
I shouldn't have come. I should have known.
We're fine. We're gonna get out of here.
Trevor Phillips, of course this would turn into a car chase.
We're not being chased.
Not yet.
Not at all. Look, take a deep breath. We're gonna be fine. We just gotta get back to
Trevor's office?
When Trevor says office, he really means
get off the road up here. This must be Trevor's route through the mountains.
Dirt track. Might get bumpy.
A burnout gas station by the Alamo Sea? I've seen the title of ownership, and judging by the glassware he ordered a year ago, I'm guessing it's a meth lab. A meth lab. Just perfect!
Laboratory don't do it justice. It's more of a shithole where meth is made.
Great! Nothing like a pharmaceutical bakery to prep the perfect stick-up job.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. Look, you had any ideas about the bank? Are you sure we can't disable the alarm?
The alarm is a UXVF 111 classification, minute-long relay interval, third-party verification, multiple monitoring centers. Sure, I can disable it.
But
it'll cost more than the job is worth.
Of course it will. So, what do?
Looks like the road takes a dip and a turn after that bridge. Slow down. We walk away. It's not like we need the money.
About that.
You been day trading?
No, God no. I mean, yeah, I've been trading, but no, that's not why we need the money.
Then why do you need the money?
All right, so, There's this research laboratory on the coast. The IAA are using it to manufacture a poison gas that they're going to release on U.S. soil in order to hope that the government increases their funding.
Well, that sounds idiotically improbable enough to be possible, but what's it got to do with you and Trevor sticking up the Blaine County Savings and Loan?
Agent Steve Haynes needs $2 million plus to finance a raid on the lab. And guess who's doing the raid? And guess who's paying for it?
Ah, I see.
Yeah, well, I don't really see. But I'm doing it. And it sounds like Trevor would hit this bank for candy and a pat on the head. Now tell me, can we do it, or do we move on?
Now, you can do it, but you can't do it clean.
How messy we talking?
Taking the cops head-on messy.
Well, they are dirty cops.
That's what Trevor says.
So do you think we can do it?
Guys out here aren't trained like the LSPD. They aren't going to be prepared for a well-armed, well-drilled team coming straight for them.
Yeah, well, we need an edge. Something to tip the odds in our favor.
Yeah, I got a couple ideas.
All right.
Well, we got here before the lord of the manor.
The man slows me down. Always has. What took you so long?
Set up a board over here.
Oh. Michael, man, your blood sugars are low. I'm making you some leftovers.
I'm fine, T.
Huh? No, I'm the host, man. You know, I don't want you to get hungry and moody, all right? Then you're gonna be making the wrong decisions.
Man, I've been making wrong decisions my whole life. That's how I ended up here.
Here you go. Bon appetito.
Jesus Christ, Trevor, what is that?
What's wrong with you? That's just a what? An eyelid. That's probably not even human. Unless that gas station job.
Gentlemen, some plans for your attention?
Good. I'm gonna stay here a minute longer than I have to.
So I think our little experiment showed that the response will be too quick to beat and too strong to walk through. That means you gotta face the cops head on.
Dirty cops.
The dirty cops head on.
Head on? Man, I don't know.
Well, you'll be prepared. Convoys carrying military-grade hardware pass near here to get to Fort Zancudo. I propose hijacking one and using the equipment to get an edge on the locals. I can get you the exact details of the shipment as soon as we're done here. Anyway, you won't be outside the bank too long. Paleto Bay is, well, it's a bay, so you're a street away from the water where Franklin can be waiting in a boat to get you out of there. I know none of this is ideal, but it's the only way I can see of taking the score and providing for your FIB paymasters.
Fine. We need personnel?
Just a gunman. He'll be taking on the cops with you, so my advice, choose someone good.
Think about my buddy Chef, okay? Consummate professional.
That it? You're sure?
That should do.
I'll get the equipment together. Michael, you reach out to Franklin. Trevor, you do what you do.
Roger that.
I'll call you when we're ready to move on this.
You want to bunk with us? I mean, it's gonna be tight, but, you know, mi casa, su casa.
I'll get a motel, thanks.
All right, suit yourself.
Come on, I'll give you a ride.
Adios, amigos.
Franklin, buddy, what's up?
Hey, look, there's these redneck dudes been looking for you, homie.
Some angry motherfuckers. I found where they stay, man, and I've been following them.
Okay, well, it's gotta be the O'Neill brothers. What's left of them. I'll pick up Michael and we'll come to you.
T, hey, man.